Terry Caudle, and I work at John L. Sullivan Chevrolet, and I've been in the business about 38 years. How did I get in the car business? It was years ago in the Volkswagen world. I liked Volkswagen, so I got into the car business. I'm moving into a brand new building, and I got to figure out how to pay for it. And with the help of TVI, that's going to be a big push for me. I was unhappy with the current situation that we had, the coupons going out and the lack of control I had over them. They were just getting blanketed out there. Didn't know what was out there, and just trying to get my arms around it, which TVI has helped me get my arms around my marketing plan. One of the biggest things that we've done is we've been able to get some people in the door here, because we are a big dealer, that are in our area that we didn't even know were in our area. That's my biggest accomplishment.